Hi, I'm going to explain what the difference is between MarketGoo Lite and MarketGoo Pro. When you sign up for Lite, this is what your SEO report looks like. You can download this SEO report every month. When you sign up for Pro, you will see the same report, so you will get the same information. But look at this in the Lite account. When you go to your SEO plan, you'll see it's limited. This is because, while you can see all the issues your site has, what you're doing right, and what you need to address so you can get more traffic, if you click onto any of them, you won't get any instructions on how to fix these issues. Some people just want the report or feel they can complete their tasks without instructions or any guidance. However, if you do need more guidance, then the Pro plan may be better for you. Look at the difference in the SEO plan. If I click here, I'll see that I need to fix this issue, and here are the instructions to do it. So then I'll go to edit my site's pages and follow each step. With Lite, if you make changes to your site, it will take a week to see that reflected in your report and SEO plan. With Pro, you will not have to wait. The other biggest difference is that with Pro, you get access to this tool. You can pick any page on your site, match it with your keyword, and follow the instructions to get that specific page to do well on Google. Finally, see here in the Lite plan, you can only monitor a limited number of keywords and competitors, while in the Pro plan, you can monitor many more.